If your Chevy Malibu backup camera is showing a solid blue screen, it usually means the head unit has lost communication with the camera. 85% of these cases are caused by a loose connection or a pinched wire in the trunk hinge area. Before you buy a new camera, let's go through the diagnostic steps to find the exact break in the signal. Start with a soft reset of your infotainment system, then physically inspect the harness near the trunk hinge for any damage. The most common failure point is the trunk loom, where wires snap from the constant motion of opening and closing the lid. Don't forget to check your fuses, specifically F29, in the cabin to ensure the camera module is actually receiving power. Repairing a broken wire is almost free compared to spending over $100 on a brand new camera unit. A dealership will often charge over $300 for this repair, while a DIY fix costs next to nothing. If the wires look good, use a multimeter to verify that the camera is getting 12 volts of power when the car is in reverse. You will only need basic tools like a 10mm socket and some plastic trim pry bars to get the job done. Safety first, always disconnect your battery before working on the electrical system to avoid damaging your car's computer. Start with that trunk harness inspection, and you will likely have your backup camera working again in no time.